Hello. Today I will share my initial process to create this project. Start adding a sphere. Use the drag tool and change the fall of preset. I use the InPow 3. Then use the tool Move with mirror on to create the shape of the cherry. For the chain, I added a torus. Change the dimensions and the divisions. Don't need to be high poly. Then use the Cell Mask tool to mask half the object. And use the gizmo to move and create the chain body. Clear the mask and clone the chain. Rotate in 90 degrees and move to the position. When you are satisfied, join the two objects. Rotate the object and align the gizmo. Add a repeater curve to create the handle. Adjust position and the count. Adjusting the final position. Clone and adjust the final position of the second cherry. Clone the chain. Adjusting the final count and twist the ends. Let's create the pin. With Tube tool, create the shape. Mine was inside the curve repeater. Adjust the shape until you are satisfied. Move to the position. Final adjustments. My webcam is gone and I didn't see, sorry. We back? Let's create the topping with the Cell Mask tool with lasso to create the form. Then in Cell Mask settings, change the thickness until you are satin sphinx. And extract. Clear all the mask. And smooth. Let's add some color. I like to add the color reflection to see better in the final adjustments for the results. Use the Inflate tool to create the topping effects. I created a topping on the pin. Using the tube and the cell mask tool, I did the same process to create the topping of the second cherry. Smooth. Inflate tool. Now the most important, the light. I used a standard environment, added some point lights with color in front to create colorful reflections. Post-process adjustments. I like to use bloom and grain to create a cool effect. A few more light adjustments and added a green light on the back. This was the initial process. Then I made some final adjustments, but I didn't record it. I hope you liked it and enjoy the process.